Hi everybody, I just wanted to show off some of these Custom Saber Shop chassis interiors that I've been building for my sabers and for a couple people. It's just sort of a modified or my version of the chassis that would go inside a typical Custom Saber Shop build. I'm using a TCSS speaker holder, some 440 rod, and either using plastic tubing as sort of spacers and some nuts to hold it together, and just some templates that I made out of plastic. And then the battery holder is just either glued or double-sided taped. This particular stunt just uses a single 14500 lithium-ion battery, and it's pretty straightforward. It's nice in that you can kind of take it all back apart and then upgrade it for sound or something like that later. So, and then you can always add a speaker into the bottom. So I did that for a few of my stunts. This one's another one that I built a little while ago. It's nice for dueling because the pommel's a little bit heavier, but it's got essentially the same kind of chassis inside. This is Lisa's build that I just finished. It's also TCSS parts, and she chose all the components, and then same thing, I used sort of a similar chassis, made my own discs just because I'm cheap and didn't want to buy the TCSS ones, but you totally can. And same thing, 440 rod, cut my own discs, use their speaker holder, and this one holds a dual AA battery holder inside, and it's just a stunt setup for now so that she can run a red Rebel LED, and it just slides back inside like this, and the pommel goes on. I'm going to try to do this with two hands. Give me a second. There we go. That just screws on. And it fits really nice. There's no rattling or anything like that inside. And yeah, it looks pretty good. So there it is. Installed the latching switch and a cover tech, drilled and tapped that hole, and then drilled and tapped the blade retention screw. So I'm just going to put a stunt dueling blade in there. It's a 1-inch diameter, 1/8 inch thick, and then you can see how bright that is. Right? So in real life, it's more of a solid red all the way through. In video, it has this really nice white core with the red glow, which is really, really nice. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. I'm just going to swap it out for this, the blade for a blade plug. So you can see what that looks like on the end. Yep, pretty bright. Cool. So there you go. Just need to finish up her stunt dueling blade, and then it's all done, ready for the next class. All right. Thanks for watching.